Hello, Miomi here. Welcome to my Learn Spanish with Me episodes. For Lesson 1, vamos a empezar con el alfabeto español. Learning the alphabet is important because it's the foundation for reading, writing, and proper pronunciation. Vamos a empezar. A, A, like amigo. A. B, B, like barco. B. C, C, like casa. C. Che, che, like chocolate. Che. The Spanish alphabet has 27 letters. CH used to be in the Spanish alphabet, but now it's not counted. It's just a combination of C and H that makes a special sound. De, de, like dia. De. E, e, like escuela. E. F, F, like familia. F. G, G, like gato. G. H, H, like hello. H. In Spanish, the letter H is always silent and has no sound when spoken. E, E, like isla. E. J, J, like jugo. J. K, K, like koala. K. L, L, like luna. L. Edge, edge, like caballo. Edge. Can also be doble L o Y, like caballo. In Spain, doble L is often pronounced like the English J, the caballo, while in Latin American countries and neutral Spanish, it's usually pronounced like the English Y, the caballo. So if you're working in a BPO or call center, you'll mostly use the Latin American or neutral accent since it's more widely understood. M, M, like manzana. M. N, N, like nube. N. Enye, enye, like año. Enye. O, O, like oso. O. P, P, like pan. P. Q, Q, like queso. Q. R, R, like raton. R. R, R, O, doble R. Doble R is not an official letter in the Spanish alphabet. It has a unique rolled or trilled sound. It only appears between vowels and never at the beginning of a word. S, S, like sol. S. T, T, like taza. T. U, U, like uno. U. B, B, like vaca. B. O, ube. In Spanish, the letter V is usually pronounced very similarly or even the same as B, producing a soft sound made by pressing the lips together. Unlike English, there is no strong V sound made with the teeth and lower lip. Doble B, like whiskey. Doble B. Can also be doble U o V doble. X, X, like Mexico. X. Y, Y, like yate. Y griega. Zeta. Zeta, like zapato. Zeta. In Spanish, the letter Z is pronounced differently depending on the region. In Spain, it's pronounced like the English TH in think. Example, zapato. While in Latin America, it's pronounced like an S. Example, zapato. Practice time, repeat after me. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, Y o Y, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, R, O, R, S, T, U, V, O, V, W, O, W, O, V, W, X, Y, Z, O, Z. Muy bien! You just learned the Spanish alphabet. Let's have more. Let's spell your name. For example, Maria, spelled as M-A-R-I-A. Translate this to English. ¿Cómo se deletrea su apellido o su apellido? ¿Cómo se escribe? Thank you for coming with me until the end. Let me know in the comment section if you want more Spanish lessons. Also, share this to your amigo, amiga. Ciao!